Hey guys, what's up? It's Aaron here, and today I'm going to be talking to you about 3 Chrome extensions that can skyrocket your productivity. Before I get started, I just want to remind you to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I post new videos every week about AI, productivity, and other cool stuff. So if you want to learn more about how to use AI to boost your productivity, be sure to subscribe. Now, let's talk about the extensions. The first extension is called Unhook. This extension removes the recommendations, side recommendations, and comments from YouTube. This may seem like a small thing, but it can make a big difference in your productivity. The second extension is called Gmail Unsubscribe. This extension makes it easy to unsubscribe from junk and promotional emails with just a single click. The third extension is called GPT Anywhere. This extension allows you to use ChatGPT anywhere on the internet. ChatGPT is a powerful AI tool that can generate text, translate languages, and write different kinds of creative content. With GPT Anywhere, you can use ChatGPT to write emails, generate blog posts, and even code. These are just 3 of the many Chrome extensions that can help you boost your productivity. If you're looking for ways to get more done in less time, I highly recommend checking out these extensions. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos about AI, productivity, and other cool stuff. I post new videos every week, so you won't want to miss out.